안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make stir-fried squid, 오징어볶음. It's a very famous Korean spicy seafood dish. It's pretty easy to prepare as a main dish. It's made by stir-frying squid and vegetables in a spicy sauce of gochujang, red pepper paste, and gochutgaru, red pepper powder. And I usually have this with bean sprout side dish. I will show you how to make it as well. It's very mild and savory, so it neutralizes the spicy taste. When you eat 오징어볶음, you will need a bowl. In the bowl, put stir-fried squid, rice, and bean sprout side dish and mix them well. It has an addictive taste, so you can finish your bowl just in a few minutes. Okay, then let's set the table. I'm gonna make a bean sprout side dish first. In a pot, pour enough water and add a pinch of salt. And bring to a boil. When it boils, put bean sprout and blanch for 4 minutes with the lid open. After 4 minutes, wash it in cold water and drain well. After that, in a bowl, put bean sprout and add fish sauce, soup soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and sesame oil. Toss it gently. Lastly, sprinkle with sesame seeds. Then bean sprout side dish is done. Let's make the main dish. I bought the prepared squid. Wash the squid well and discard the mouth, ink sac, and backbone. You don't have to remove the skin. Lay the squid on a board and make cuts diagonally with a knife. It helps the sauce absorb to squid well. Cut the squid into bite-sized pieces and cut tentacles as well. Slice the carrot diagonally and cut zucchini into half-moon shapes. Slice the green onion as well. And let's make a sauce. In a bowl, put red pepper paste, minced garlic, red pepper powder, and soy sauce. Mix well. Okay, then preparation is over. Squid becomes tough when it's overcooked, so you have to cook quickly. Ready? Heat the oil in a pan and fry the green onion first to make a flavor. And then put sliced squid and add the sugar to make squid absorb sweet taste first. Stir fry for 1 minute and pour the spicy seasoning. Mix them well and pour the water. And add carrot and zucchini. Stir fry for 3 minutes more. After that, turn off the heat and add sesame oil and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Serve with the rice and bean sprout side dish. I love this smell. spicy and sweet. Okay, first I'm going to taste squid and rice. Such a great flavor and taste. It's spicy, but it has a sweet taste from other vegetables. And the texture is perfect. It's not too tough, but soft and chewy. And when you feel that it's too spicy for you, then it's time for the bean sprout side dish. It's very crunchy, you heard that, and savory. Especially the sesame oil takes this dish to another level. And did you remember what I said before? When you eat 오징어볶음, you will need this bowl. So I will show you how to eat. In a bowl, put rice, 오징어볶음, and bean sprout side dish. And then mix well with the sauce. It looks very spicy, but it has a great balance with bean sprout as texture and taste. It's a perfect dish when you don't have an appetite. Today I made 오징어볶음. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.